G'day guys, I'm Lockie from Tentworld in Ferntree Gully, and today I want to show you one of a couple of new stoves that we've just received from Outdoor Connection. This one here is the classic 2-burner stove. You can pick these guys up in store or online at tentworld.com.au right now. They've got two 84mm 10,000 BTU burners, which is up the higher end of stoves of this type. As you can see, it's frying this egg away pretty nicely. Comes with a 1 meter hose, which ends in a 3/8 fitting. Those fittings will go on one of these gas bottles here. If you do want to screw it into a larger POL gas bottle like the swap and go ones you get at the servo, you just need to buy a 3/8 to POL adapter like this one, or this one here. You can see we've got them screwed into our two big 9 kilogram POL gas bottles here to show you how it works. This one doesn't come with a piezo ignition, so you will need an igniter to light it yourself, but it's super simple. We've just opened this up and started looking at it, and have been really impressed with the general build quality and the simplicity of the stove. If you're looking for something to get you going really quickly without all the bells and whistles of some of the more expensive stoves, we think this is a really great option. Like I said, you can pick these guys up in store or online at tentworld.com.au. Thanks for watching.